Hello guys, my name is Irina and welcome to my channel. Today we will review another of a few pages from my sketchbook because I've been doing some new drawings. Okay, so this is something where I was exploring the how can I say the three-dimensionality of drawing. So like these flowers are in the background, this is the middle ground, and the cat is in the front. This is actually something that I've been drawing during our flight, and I did this during our flight in the plane. I'm actually quite proud of this drawing, but the only thing is that I also use this drawing as an opportunity to again practice the fundamentals. This is a portrait that I did without reference, and you can see it's not very well made. Here I've been again practicing trying to illustrate the three-dimensionality, like this is background, middle, and in the front. And here there are a few shapes that I've been practicing my fundamentals, lines, and circles. This is one of the drawings that I've been doing, and it's quite fun to do, and it's also a way of me practicing some animation. If you can see, the eyes are quite big, and I also wanted to show like the legs that are like with circles, and here you can see the water. Here it's also a drawing that I've been trying to study a girl sitting on a chair, but then I decided to make it more like ellipses, and then I just added some circles to practice fundamentals as usual. Here we have a cat. I'm trying to move this, but yeah. Here we have a cat and a landscape. As you can see, this is the cat and this is one hill, and in the background another hill. I have here a few days where I've been obsessing over cats, so I drew cats in different ways and in different positions, and I try to do like cartoon cats and normal cats and fluffy cats with additional lines just for me to add a little exercise. Here it's one of the girls sitting on the chair, but also trying not to focus too much on the details, just trying to make some shapes. Here I try to draw another girl from memory, and here it's trying to draw a Donald Duck. Cats again, cartoonish cat, fluffy cat. I actually love this one. Here I was trying to practice more some monsters, as you can see here and here, and I was just making circles and trying different type of teeth and different type of eyes. Here is also a fluffy cat, and here maybe a dream catcher. Here I've been trying to practice also dogs, and I actually drew this from memory, and I'm quite happy because I'm not very good at drawing without reference. Here again, practice, and it's not abstract, but it's just random shapes. Again, random shapes, and I try to do here some depth with this dark, but I like how it looks. And this is my thing from this morning, because actually I didn't have a lot of time to draw, and here it's Freya complaining that it's too cold, and you can see outside it's snowing, and this is the girl I tried to draw from memory. Here practicing cartoons, trying to draw, like some animals in shapes. Here a study on circles and cubes, and here I try to add some zebra strips in the background just to try to do a 3D shape. And here I wanted to draw a cartoon pear. This is basically all I managed to draw since our last video. I still have a small sketchbook that I will film in another day for episode 3. So please don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video so YouTube will show you episode 3. Thank you so much for joining me, and you can leave below any suggestions of drawings you want. Bye!